All
This is an upcycle table. I got this green table here from IKEA, but I got it at Goodwill.
Well, no, they sell it at IKEA, but we got ours at Goodwill. It's pretty cheap at IKEA, like $10, $15, but at Goodwill it was like $3.
So get your big, giant Lego plate and get your super glue.
No, not super glue. We used it's this. No, that's not it. That's tile stuff. But you can get that down so I can show what kind of tool you use. So you get something like this, but the stuff that goes inside is called Power Grab, and it's what you use to put up mirrors and stuff like that. So you put it on the back of the Lego plate. Don't go too close to the edges, or else when you press it down, it's gonna, you know, spill over the sides. So you want to like squeeze it onto the center of the plate, and then you press it down and push it, you know, maybe hold a book on it and let it set overnight, and then you have a permanent Lego table. Now also underneath we had we put a little bin drawer. These are some, this is from an old art table they had, but I kept these pieces because I knew they'd come in handy one day, and they did. So you just screw those. We just screw those right to the bottom of the table, and then it's got a little groove here, so you can stick the bin into the groove and slide it in.
And
Slide
there
it out.
we go.
So you can put all, oops. You can put all your Lego pieces in there and come over and do your thing and build your castles and build your houses, and everything's pretty nifty. And then you got a nice little place for it. So that is a really cheap way to make yourself a Lego table. Duplos out here, but this board is compatible with Duplos as well. And as you can see, I enjoy it. It's fun stuff. And then the Legos aren't everywhere.